Your head, boy. You know why I win. I whoop your head, boy. With the back of the steel. I whoop your head, boy. Your captain get peeled. I whoop your head, boy.
Don't you open up that window.
Are you okay?
Don't you let out that antidote. Popping pills is all we
Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box.
Then what's the use? I said it's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes.
Ragadown cats, call my shit Patricia, young money militia, and I am the commissioner. You don't want star easy, cause the F is for finisher. So misunderstood, but what's so
talk about some things we can undo. I just in the pit, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through.
That's how road riders roll. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no.
The way you shake it, I can't believe it. I ain't never seen a
ass like that.
the way you move it. You make my PB go. Yo.
beat it? But you wanna be bad, just beat it. Beat it. I am a god. Hurry up with my damn massage. Hurry up with my damn menage. Get the Porsche out the damn garage. I am a god. I am not illiterate, no, not even a little bit. Nothing like an idiot. Get it? You want the record? Cool, I'm with it. Let the rhythm take you.
Bro, like, where do we go? Nigga, and we hate po-po. Wanna kill us dead in the street for sure. Nigga, I'm at the preacher's door. My knees getting weak and my gun might blow.
Shit price. This shit price. Nigga, this shit price.
We don't give a fuck about what you think about us, how you feel about us, what you got to say.
Make your mouthpiece obese like Delarice. When I release, you lose teeth like little C's. Nigga, please, blood flood your dungarees. And that's just the half of.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got his bag cause I'm brown. And not the other color, so police think they have the authority to kill him, I know.
Big dog stay on the porch, blow the whistle. Blow the whistle. Blow the whistle. Blow the whistle.
Like we always do at this time. Cookie cold, blowing your mind. Hey dummy, this no accident, all of this was designed. Took my time, cookie crack on the
Got the magic stick. I know if I can hit once, I can hit twice. I hit the baddest shit. Sure they don't believe me. Am I right here with me? I say hands up. You know when you party with crooks, you gotta learn to respect the jokes. I say hands up. Everything ain't cool as a fan, and shit ain't sweet as it looks. I say hands up.